Hey everybody, how y'all doing? Are you okay in your neck of the woods? What up? What up? Manners and respect, man. Are your girl Debbie from down a yard. Welcome you all to the Jamaican kitchen. Welcome once more. It is the Jamaican cooking journey. Tons and tons of you are new right on over here. Always a special welcome to you. Thank you so very much for joining the family. Those who were there with me from the beginning of this journey and you're still here with me, manners and respect. Now, first things first, let me take this opportunity to say thank you so much. Such an overwhelming support of happy birthday wishes. Who could want more? I don't know, but I know that was more than enough for me. Thank you so much. It warmed my heart to know that none of you know me in person, it's just on this camera, and you have appreciated me in such a way that you would take the time out of your busy schedule to send me a happy birthday wish. I thank you. I appreciate you all, family. I love you, and most of all, I respect you so much. Those who followed me all the way back on Instagram and add me for me little teeny bit of Jamaican Debbie Deb's Instagram page, I burn up with happy birthday wishes. Thank you so very much. In the comment section right here, I haven't gotten to answer yours yet, but I'm coming as soon as this video is up. I'm coming right around to you to answer you, because you know I never leave you. I always show appreciation. I always show manners, and I respect you. Thank you so very much. Hi, hello. This is a 53-year-old video, you see? Now today, we are going to be doing something a little more, I'm not sure if you would have said it more on the gourmet side, but for me, the things I would have called it like a little gourmet something. So, we're going to be putting together a decent little curry coconut rice. It's going to be curried rice cooking in coconut milk. Nice, fresh, rich coconut milk. If you can't get coconut, family, use some coconut powder, or if you can, I am not familiar with the tin coconut milk and cream. Honestly, I'm not. I am familiar with the powdered one. So if you know it's okay for you with the tin one, go ahead. Or if you have the powder, that is if you cannot get the coconut, the fresh coconut juice. But if you can, just, just treat yourself to that freshly squeezed coconut milk. Now, we're going to be using some of this curry paste. Okay, and some people asked, Debbie, no, not some. One person asked, can I freeze this? Yes, you can. When it's properly cooled, after I showed you how to do it, after it's properly done on the stove, let it be properly cooled, and you can put it. This is some of mine that I had frozen that I use. Look at it. This is it. So this curry, you can freeze it. Let me finish. When you are ready to use it, you remove it from the freezer, let it thaw, and then you can use what you want. Let it thaw in the refrigerator. If you're gonna be leaving it in the freezer, if you're not gonna be using it for now, you can leave it in the freezer. But if you maybe like within a week or so, you're going to finish use it up, you can leave it in the refrigerator. Okay, now we are going to be right on to this now. Right here, I want to say to you, family, I prefer you use it. I don't have margarine or butter, but I prefer you using some margarine or some butter. I'm using a little corn oil here. Okay, so I have it right here being preheated. I have some frozen scallions. Fresh scallions is always okay, not a problem, but I've got frozen ones, so I'm using what I have. So I'll be cutting up a few stalks of frozen scallions whilst we preheat our oil on a little less than medium. So they are frozen, so make sure your knife is sharp. So you just go ahead, push off your scallions like this. Remember, the curry had garlic and it had in ginger. Don't add any more ginger. You can add some additional garlic, as I am going to do, but don't add any more ginger. You would never need any more ginger because we're going to be using rice. It will be too much for the rice, okay? Because when we did this curry paste, you saw what I did. And if you're watching this video and you have never seen, or if you have not seen and you have not known, because I know you're going to be asking, how did you get this curry paste, Miss Debbie? We're going to leave the link in the description of our very last video, the one there that we did the curry saltfish fritters. That's how that in that video we showed you how you're to do this paste. Okay, we're going to be putting a few slices of Scotch bonnet pepper. You might not necessarily want to use it if you don't like it, but I would like it. Okay, so now we're going to be doing this. We're going to be sauteing off this. This is what we are using for flavor. You notice the green scallions, they give this lovely flavor. Up your eat a bit. Okay, see, too much cake ice cream yesterday. Hello, please. So we are sauteing that off. Now, no more ginger. We did this with some ginger and some fresh garlic. I'll be adding a little additional garlic, but I'll be adding some garlic flakes. Fresh garlic, no problem. Okay, so we are sauteing this off, and also we have got a little piece of rosemary. Don't go too much on the rosemary. You can use green thyme. We are getting some flavor together. Okay, family, for this rice. Don't you put this part in there. No, you're not going to be sauteing this off to let it come brown or anything. No, you're just going to be doing it gently. And family, let me tell you something. All who know about flavoring, all of you who know about flavoring, you would need nobody to tell you what is coming out of this pot. With the green scallions, the rosemary, and the pepper. The rosemary, let me tell you something, man. So we are sauteing it off just like this. Okay, now that is there, we're going to be putting in our rice. Our rice is picked and washed. Use your rice of choice. We're just going to be doing this saute. It's a light saute, not a really heavy one to get things brown and cooked and all of that. This is not the sauteing we're doing. Really light saute. Now that you're putting your rice, up your eat a bit. I hope you're all in and what I'm doing. So this is the saute mixture that we have here. We're gonna be coating our rice with it properly. Okay, properly and also gently. You don't need to be doing this, you know, too rapidly. Just gently. Okay, let's get our heat back down a bit. Now this is the time for our curry paste. You're gonna be putting in some curry paste right here. So we have like maybe about a pound of rice, so we're gonna be putting in one of this and maybe another half. Okay, coating. We're gonna now this curry paste. This is not curry powder. It's properly cooked. Those of you who are following the channel and are keen on what I'm doing, you know this is a properly cooked curry mixture. So you have nothing to worry about. This is already cooked. Okay? So let us coat up this. We're coating until we get our desired look. I will leave it to you to know the desired look of your curry rice. I will definitely leave that for you to determine. And there comes flavors. There comes an additional burst of flavors from this. Oh Lord, let us get our heat back up a bit. Remember, we're using right here some coconut milk as the liquid. You could also, if you don't want the coconut milk, you could also use some chicken broth. You could leave some beef broth. You could also use a little fish broth, depending on what you want. Now, gently, we're going to be pouring in some milk. You could get mine is at almost to warm. Okay, up your flame a little bit. I hope you're all in on this, family. Okay, now that you have put in the coconut milk, it is going to dim the color of the curry, or it is going to lessen the brightness of the curry. Okay, make we continue to stir. Now at this point, if you want your curry rice to have a little brighter color, you know, me always say no add no extra curry. But this one you can add a little more, which I'm going to do right now. I want a little bit more color because this is properly cooked already. So you can add any amount you want, anytime you want. This is good. This is a proper curry mix. Okay? Proper curry mix. No problem. So I'm going to add about that. And then we are going to continue stirring. As I said to you, I will leave for you to determine the color of your curry rice, how bright you want it, because the coconut milk is going to dim the look of the curry, right? Okay, we're going to be putting in now a little garlic. Fresh garlic is good, but I have a little garlic flakes and I decide to want a little. So I'm going to be using it. And as I said, fresh garlic is good. This is going to be more on the mild side, okay? Now we're going to be putting in our little salt. We're not putting salt yet, you know. So we're going to be putting in our little salt just like that. And we're going to stop right here. Stir. Give it a thorough stir. Gently, thoroughly, but gently. Thorough, but gently. Right? So when you come to the middle there. Now we're going to taste for our salt perfection. We want flavor too, but we're not worried about it. Because we serve God, we've got flavor here. If you think we have got flavor here, please type something. We have got some real nice, gentle flavors going on right here. Let's taste for salt perfection. Wow, we got a little spice in there. Beautiful. From the pepper. Wow, and the coconut milk. Papa Jesus. Let's turn our heat down. Riding and whistling. Oh my God. Now looking at this, we realize that we can take probably about 3 or 4 more tablespoons of coconut milk. Okay? Now to this, we're going to be putting a few raisins to this. This is what we're going to be doing to make it that little gourmet thing. We're going to just like not soak raisins in a Lord Jesus Christ. Not take out the fruits out of the black cake sitting with the rum. Not that one, please. So we're going to be putting in some raisins. Put as much as you like, that when the rice is ready, you will see a raisin them in there. Papa Jesus, sinking, turn up here. So we are on track. We are on point. And that is why on the Jamaican cooking journey, we don't use all-purpose seasoning, because we are the all-purpose. No, me, you know, you and I, we are together, all together, the all-purpose seasoning on the Jamaican cooking journey. We don't use it because we are with one all-purpose. Right on, right in here. You get the flavors and all of that. And if you have some black olives, you could dice them up and put them in there. Put what you want to substitute the raisins. Now look at this mixture. This mixture is like thick, nice, put camera girl, rich. So we're going to be having a soft, succulent texture to this rice. We're going to cover our pot, and when we return, you'll see the finished product. Now family, we are back. Our coconut curry rice is finished. It's going to be a bomb. It's going to be it's going to be a blast. It's going to be lit. But I know some of you don't watch until the end, so just a few little community service announcement here. And all of you don't want to hear it, you can click off till I'm ready to finish up the rice. Not a problem. But for those of you who know someone love and appreciate and support me, I'm just going to be doing it now. Thank you so much for your support. We want to let you know that we have got our PayPal donation button up. And as I said here before, we haven't got a lot of donation options in Jamaica. I'm waiting on one. I'm looking about one more. I'm really in the process of, you know, pursuing one more that is going to be more easy, because people are asking how they can donate. They want to donate. People want to send me like little gifts they're asking. We also have got a P.O. box address now. We are going to be leaving it in the description of the video and all of that. Those who want to send things for me, and someone will be sending things for Camera Girl, they're asking. So we're going to be leaving that. And also we're going to be leaving our number. We're asking for some support. This is on my Jamaican people, my Jamaican counterparts that are living in Kingston and St. Andrew. My daughter-in-law is having a fried chicken and chips fiesta on the 26th of this month. So we are doing takeout. Okay, you order, we take to you, we're delivering free of cost, and it's like 2 pieces of chicken and 2 pieces of fried chicken, fries, a slice of cake. I'm not sure what the cake is, but you'll know in due season, and a drink. That's what it comes with. 2 pieces of chicken, a serving of fries, slice of cake, and a drink for only 1,000 Jamaican dollars. If you're in Kingston or St. Andrew, anywhere, Alpha Tree, downtown, Crossroads, Boulevard, you name it, and you want us to deliver it for you at work, at home, wherever, at school for your kid, we will do just that. I beg for you some support for her. Thank you so much in advance. Yes, our PayPal button is up. Those of you who want to donate, those of you who have donated already, thank you so very much. Those of you who are continuing to do so, thank you so much. We don't care the amount. It doesn't matter how small. We didn't give you all anything to put down. We ain't going to nothing to put down. Thank you so much. We welcome you. If it's even a quarter, we welcome you. Thank you so very much. And I guess that's it. Right on. Let's look at our curry coconut rice. It's finished. I went ahead and I flip it up. Let's look. Right on, right here, right now. My flame is off. Look at this. Look at the texture of the rice. Look at the raisins. I did say to you, put the amount of raisins of choice. Put how you like. If you want it scanty, you want it scanty. If you want it fluffy like mine, fluffy up, baby. Now look at this. Look at this. Look at the texture. And look at it. Let's plate you up some of this rice. Right in front of your face, I'll be plating you up some of this curry coconut rice. Let me get my spoon all washed, all clean, all washed. If you are going to be serving this on a bowl, like if you're going to be bowling it up and you want to, you just wet your bowl and you put it and you know how to do it. If you're not, then you know how you're to do it. Let's get this thing rolling. We soon come back, eh? Okay, we're gonna be bowling it up. We have changed it. We were thinking of like serving it, but we're gonna be bowling it up. Let you see the full beauty of this dish. Okay? So now, what you're gonna do, you're gonna wet your bowl with some tap water. Don't dry it, just drain it. Okay? Don't dry it, just drain it. Remember now, for you to get your rice come a certain way, you have got to have some texture in it. If you make it all that chili, it won't work. Let's plate. So we'll take up some of the rice. We're going to be bowling up this thing. Oh man, we have to bowl this and drop it out, family. We can't bowl up this and just put it down. So we have got to bowl it out, bowl it up. So right on over here. When you do this, you come, remember your rice has got to have some texture. Damp your bowl, don't dry it. Let the rice have some nice texture, moisture, some butter or a little margarine or something. Maybe those people who don't use margarine or butter, they're not going to be able to do this, I don't think so, because the rice will not have enough texture. So you use whatever you have and you're going to be, pressing like you want to get it compact. Okay. Now you're going to be inverting, put it on a clean plate over it and you're going to be inverting it. Lift. This is how you get it all bowled up. Look at this, family. Now we want to give it a nice little thing to the top. We're going to be using a little piece of fresh mint that I picked from my garden out back. All you are following me on the Jamaican Debbie Debs don't know me have some little mint around the back. I do not put the whole of this in there. You're not making minty, you see? So you're going to be picking like a little piece. Just like this. It's clean. And you're going to be putting it right there. This is just for garnishing. Okay? And there you have it. Your perfect curried coconut rice. From start to finish. Let me present to you. From my kitchen to yours. From my Jamaican kitchen to your family table, to your stomach, to your plate, and most of all, to your kitchen, From my kitchen to yours, from my Jamaican kitchen to your family table, to your plate, and most of all, to your stomach. It's curried coconut rice. You saw me. I did it from scratch. May talk for some time in a family. Please do enjoy. This is for your Thanksgiving table. This is for your Christmas. This is for your get together, your fun table. It doesn't matter. Please do enjoy. And I want to say something right here and now before I end this video. When we did the okra rice, I want to big up this person, this lady on Instagram. I don't remember her name, because I swear to God if I didn't remember Instagram name, I'll it out. She sent me via Instagram a picture of her okra rice. She did it. It was perfect. And let me tell you something. What I want to big her up for, she served it with some crispy to fried fish. Let me tell you, whoever you are, I don't remember your name. When you watch this video, I know you're on the Jamaican cooking journey. What is wrong? 53 aside that angle me? Come on. I know you're on the Jamaican cooking journey, sweetie. So when you watch this video, manners and respect, big up yourself. Let me tell you something. And she put that crispy fried fish, and she put it to the side. She put, well done, well done. That was brilliant. What you all would like to serve this with? Tell me, you tell me where you would have served up this thing you read with in the comment section. That is where we laugh and we talk and we share and we everything. You all have got some bright ideas in the comment section. I must hop. Remember to like, share, subscribe. Remember to thumbs up. Thumbs up these videos when you see them, please. Share them. Remember to like them. Okay? And remember, most of all, if you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe. When you do that, just subscribe. Press the bell. When you press the bell and the videos are out, say what you think. That is how you will be a part of the notification crew. Today's post notification shout out goes to Sheppy Bradshaw. Am I correct, camera girl? Sheppy Bradshaw. Hello. You know, so I feel say I look Duppy in that kitchen here today, but in the name of Duppy, we're going to get him out with some curry. Come on. Today's post notification shout out today goes to Sheppy Bradshaw. Sheppy, I see you clear. And I'm hearing you, baby. Thank you so much. You are a part of this journey. Thank you for your love, Sheppy. Thank you for your support. Sheppy have joined us maybe like about 2 months now, and she's so into it. Thank you. Love you so much. Love you. Debbie from Dongayard, I said bless. No stress.